Hello everyone. Today I've received, after waiting a year or maybe even more, the Narwal self-cleaning vacuum robot and mop. So this is the box. It was delivered by UPS. It weighs around, they say, 16 kilos, even though it seems a bit heavier. There was another bigger box on top of it, so it's quite heavy, but it seems well packed. So let's have a look what's inside. Okay, very nice protection here with Narwal logo on top. I guess an envelope with instruction manual. Let's see. Yeah, there's a quality assurance pass. First time use guide with quick instructions, how to set up the base, how to turn it on, how to get the application. Okay, and here the full manual. Everything is in English. Let's put this aside. Let's have a look at the robot. Feels quite heavy as well. I see some easy access to some internal components. Sensors, 4 sensors, 2 in the front, 2 in the sides. At the bottom here is the charging port, I guess. The laser module and the button. Doesn't seem much bigger, or it's comparable in size with other Xiaomi robots. Actually, I can have a quick comparison. This is the Roborock S5, I think. Yeah, European model. Let's put them side by side. So it's a little bit smaller even. There's some protective rubber here you need to take away. This is the dustbin. It looks very small, much smaller than on Xiaomi.
Dustbin removed.
And the filter as well.
Dustbin installed.
Let's see how you open this. Okay, not the best system here. This plastic hook, it looks very, very fragile. I don't like it at all. Hopefully you can easily find this as a spare part if it breaks. You have to push it down to click into place. What else? Here's a cleaning brush with a hook that I guess cuts the hair which is stuck in the brushes. It's magnetic, sticks here in place. Okay, let's put this back. Have a look what else we have in the box.
Charging.
Okay, the base unit, quite big. And heavy. Narwal logo, 2 buttons on top. This is the display, I guess. Okay. Some more silica gel inside here. This is the tank for dirty water. This is the tank for clean water, I presume. And it has some accessories inside. Two sets of mop brushes. An extra filter, I guess. 2 extra filters. And vacuum cleaner brushes, 1 set, 2 of them. Let's see what else is here. Some more accessories. Okay, magnetic strip. I guess it's used to prevent it from going down the stairs or to protect areas where you don't want the robot to go. The mopping modules with more brushes. So you have in total of 4 pairs for the mop. They have Velcro here. And the vacuum cleaner module with 1 set of brushes already installed. Power cable. And here are, I guess, 2 sponges. I don't know what these are for. I have to read the manual. So that's it, pretty much. This is how it looks inside. Here I guess you get the this tray is removable. Here it does the self-washing, and then the water gets pulled up through these pipes. some wheels here on the side to make it go in easily. And that's it. I'll read the manual, connect it, do some tests and come up with an update. See you.